Hello everyone, me again. Today I'm going to install my powercomander 5. I bought this second hand. It's a bike Pacific, brand new. They are 400 euros. This I bought for almost 200 euros. So look online, maybe one guy crashed their bike and they want to resell it again for half the price. I got a good deal on it. So last time with my 750 was the same. I bought it also second hand and it worked fine. Brand new, they are so expensive. So now I'm gonna install it for you guys. Sorry, it's on my cell phone, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna disconnect the battery now, tear up my bike, and then I'm gonna show you how it's done. First of all, I'm gonna see what's inside of the box. Of course, you get the powercomander here, and lift it with one hand. You get your wiring loom, and this is a pretty straightforward install. This goes to the injector plugs, and then only this one goes to the sensor of my gas there. This one, and that's it. 750, it was a lot difficult. So this is all for the injectors, and this is for my gas, and that's all. What we also have is a delete sensor for my catalytic converter. So over there, otherwise I got a fault, F1 fault. So this device delete that otherwise it's not going good or whatever. But this I had also on my Z750, so I know it works. Then you got your wire for your PC, and then the CD. But I'm going to a special tuner. He knows what he's doing, and I do a special mapping because I know I am still waiting on a Black Friday for the full exhaust system. So I know it's coming. Small update. I disconnected the negative terminal, removed the stabilizer, steering stabilizer, and now I'm gonna remove this fairing, or what is it called, and then remove the gas tank, and then I'm gonna remove, normally I must remove this one also, but we shall see how far we get, because I know the air box is in the way. But we're gonna see. It's try and error, but we're gonna try. So I posted updates. Small tip about this bike, or normally other bikes, is what I learned is this gas tank is on a pivot, and then what I do, I take a blanket for now, and what I do, I tilt it over because it's very wobbly. See, it's because it's on bushings, and normally you have a stick and you put it in there, but then it's I don't like the design, because what I then do is I lay it down completely, more solid and better. Only works on a stand. If the bike is tipped over, then the gas tank moves a little bit over, and then it's hanging very low. So of course you must loosen first the gas, otherwise because you see it's too short. I don't know why, because it's more for me, for my purposes, for more room. The gas tank is safely in that position. Carry on. Why it's not focusing? Why? Okay. Sorry for the focus. It's on my cell phone. It's a piece of junk. I'm working on my GoPro. I have no problems with my GoPro, but my PC or laptop, it's messed up. So I put it now on my cell phone. Sorry guys for but I'm trying my best. So carry on. Okay, so you must remove your airbox, and then you have room for your connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4 for your wiring loom from your power commander. It's a little bit of a hassle. I did it once and I know what I must do. So the first time, look for small bolts that are hidden, but for the rest it's pretty straightforward. All my junk is over there, so you must remove it, and then now I can try to install the power commander. I have room. I'm not going to remove these side fenders because I have here all the room you need. So we're gonna carry on and hopefully we're gonna test it. After a few courses later, this is the power commander box. It's all over there underneath the tank. I'm gonna show you guys later, but after a few courses later, I got the wire underneath here, completely underneath, because then I have a room. It's coming out over there, and then the negative wire, this one, goes eventually all over here. What the hell? Okay, all over there, you see, and now it's laying it out a little bit, laying it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then eventually I go over here. Normally you yank one out, push because you have two connectors, it's pretty straightforward. You put the other one, this is for your how is it in English again, your injector, push it in, and then the other lead goes in here. I'm gonna show you guys, and then it's 4 times, and then I must go to the catalytic converter sensor. I must find that first, and then we can try to start it up. Eventually I need the gas, but who needs gas, eh? Be continued. Holy crap, these are a pain in the butt to do, but I'm gonna show you. I put them off. See, 1, 2, 3. I did one already, but it was so hard to get them off. But now I can show you guys. So this is original ones. You cannot go wrong with it. And then you have the other ones. Just also lay it down. I got 3 connectors. One is longer than the other one. So what you simply do. Sorry, I have a cold for my sniffing. But you take the black one. You put it in here. Till you hear a click. So the black one is in there. And then what you simply do is the other one, this one, you put in your oh my, holy crap, my cold. Sorry guys. This one you put in your injector, and you do all 3 of them. I'm gonna do that because it's filming and working with one hand, it sucks. So I go further so you know what you must do. Black in the original, and then the gray one in your injector. For this is exactly the same. So this, you pull it off. This is the gas throttle position sensor. So you do this the same like you did to your connectors. So the smallest one. So this one comes in here, and then this one goes in here, like so. This is my power bearing, doesn't matter. And then I already did the negative. It's connected. So in theory, this part is done. So normally, if I turn on the key, the light goes on, but that's for in the future. Now we're gonna put the wires very nice with zip ties and all that kind of junk, and then we can do the box on. But first I'm gonna look for the other connection of the cat sensor. Now this part is done. So on my bike, this is on a really shitty spot because this is all a frame and it's just behind, so it's lying over here. But pull it out, you put this between, and then technically we are done. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put my wires back together, put the bike back together. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's a removal of how do you call it? If you start it, then you must finish it. So you just put the bike back together, and I'm gonna show you guys if it works or not. So you can see here, it's on it. So pretty simple for it. So that's it. Now, okay, the cables are a little bit longer, so you must take your time to put your wires in a good order with zip ties, or no vibrations, and then you're set to go. And then it goes to a tuner. You put a map on it, but like I said, I'm waiting for the exhaust, and then I can put it straight to the dyno, and that it follows it as well. But you can see here how naked my bike is. So I just put the box in, but first I'm gonna make sure that everything works, otherwise I do everything twice. Okay, I'm an idiot. I said first I do the gas position sensor, but there are two, and you need the bottom one, not the other one, because they are gray and the connections on the power commander are black. So I assume black goes to black. And underneath here, see, I loosened this one already. There's also a black connector, and this is the bottom one. Some people correct me in the comments, but I think because I have no directions, I think it goes to the bottom one. Black goes to black. Okay guys, now we're gonna test it. All good. No lights, but that's normal. This is flashing, so I assume this works. I have a trouble code F1. Where it is? There. I have a trouble code F1. So maybe I must go to the tuners. Bike works. Okay, I'm not sure it's correctly installed because I have a trouble code. Maybe you can help me, or I must go to the tuner and maybe he can fix it. But this is my install. I'm gonna put it back together, my bike. But for me, I think I'm not doing something wrong because it's pretty straightforward. So it's plug and play. But the bike runs quieter, more smooth. I'm not 100% it's correct because I have a trouble code F1. Maybe it's a learning, or I must go to the tuner, and maybe he can help me out. Or if you have the same problem, help me, and I hear it from you guys. Okay? Bye.